G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Well, today I'm going to be making gummy snakes. These are so awesome and so yummy. And before I do, just want to remind you guys, if you aren't aware, I've got an ebook out. It's free. Just click on the link in the description below and get your free ebook. So let's get started on the video. Oh yeah.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a small bowl, put in 85 grams of jelly or jello, or one packet. I'm using this and this color. Add 1 tablespoon of unflavoured gelatin. The one I use looks like this. And 1/3 cup of hot or boiling water. And mix this together. You want the crystals to dissolve. Now for this, just need a little snake mold like this. I've got this, it goes in it like that. But what you do is chuck some ice in it. But you can always just put it in the fridge. This is just a cool little option. Put that in there. Get the mixture and pour it in. Now you can just leave it here to set, or you can pop it in the fridge to speed up the process. If you don't have this where you can put the ice in it and you just have a mold for snakes, just do that. Or if not, put it on a baking tray flat, so it's about that thin, like 1/2 centimeter. Once it's set, cut it into the shapes of snakes. These will come out really, really easily. Oh yeah. Huh. Look at that. Oh yeah. Well, I hope you like these. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try this one. Sensational. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.